Do you want to automatically follow up with your customers? Then let me show you the working of this amazing automation, which will automatically send welcome messages to my customers, and after a certain unit of time, this automation will automatically follow up that customer. Means as a business owner, I don't have to do anything manually because this automation is going to automatically follow up my customers to keep them engaged. So now let's make a new entry and see whether we receive the response or not. So here I have already made a new entry, and as I have entered this last column, an automated message is sent to my mobile number. And here you can see that I'm on my WhatsApp where we are successfully receiving this message which says, "Hi demo user, welcome to Pabbly." And right here we are getting the same product for which I have just made a new entry in my Google Sheet, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So you can see that an automated message is sent to my lead. Now let's wait for a few minutes because soon we will be receiving a follow-up message because I have set that message to be sent after 2 minutes. So now let's wait exactly for the 2 minutes and see the magic. And here you can see that after 2 minutes, I have received this follow-up message which says, "Hi demo user, we want to check if you are still interested in Pabbly Chatflow." So you can see that I have received this follow-up message after a certain unit of time. And my customer is still engaged with my business because I have automated this process. So now you can also automate this process and can automatically follow up with your customers by just using one and only automation tool called as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool by using which you can integrate your varieties of business applications or thousands of business applications and can automate your entire business task. So now you don't have to do anything manually, and this will definitely help you to grow your business. So now let me show you how to use this amazing automation tool. And no worries, you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating this automation. You just have to integrate some simple applications. So now let's move on towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect with me. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, and for accessing it you have to open your browser and type the URL of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. And here we are on the landing page where you will be getting two options, that is for the sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user then you have to sign up for free. And Pabbly Connect is currently offering the free trial, so you can try this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. And after trying it, if you like this automation and want to buy our Pabbly product, that is Pabbly Connect, then I'm going to provide you an amazing discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which will provide you heavy discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. And you might get some other coupon codes as well, but they are going to provide you just 5% off. But by using my coupon code, you can get up to 6% off on your purchase. Now let's move on towards the workflow page where it is asking me to select the trigger. So triggers are first application or the application which will initiate our workflow. So right here in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I will add a new data of my lead over my Google Sheet. So here I have selected it. And now let's select the app event as new or updated spreadsheet row and build the connection. And now we are getting this webhook URL which will basically act as a bridge between Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to add this webhook URL over my Google Sheet so that the connection can be built in and we can easily fetch the data of the Google Sheet to the Pabbly Connect so that we can automate the process. And now let's copy it, and now let's move on towards my Google Sheet named as my leads where I have already made a new entry. And now for adding the webhook URL, you just have to move towards the extensions, select add-ons and select get add-ons, and you will be landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace where you have to search for the app that is going to be Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So here we are getting this application which is already installed, so make sure to firstly install it, and again you have to go towards extensions, and right here we are getting this application, and here on this application you have to select initial setup to get the initial setup dialog box. And here we have to enter the webhook URL which we have just received from the Pabbly Connect. So now let's move on towards the Pabbly Connect and copy this webhook URL. And here you can see that the status is changed to waiting for webhook response. And now here I'm going to enter this webhook URL, and now it is asking me to enter the trigger column. So trigger column is basically the last data column of your Google Sheet. So here the last data column is E. So here I'm going to enter my trigger column as E. Now let's click over the submit button. And here you can see that my setup has been configured successfully. Now here we are having the test data. Now we just have to send this test data to the Pabbly Connect so that we can provide the webhook response. So I'm going to just click over the send test, and here you can see that my test data has been sent successfully. And now let's move on towards the Pabbly Connect to check for this data. And here you can see that we are receiving this response, and this response consists of all the fields which I have filled over my Google Sheet. So now with this we have successfully built in the connection. But one more important task is remaining. That is, you have to go towards extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and here you have to enable this send on event so that you don't have to manually send the data again and again to the Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect can automatically fetch it as you make a new entry. And now whenever you will make a new entry in this Google Sheet, the data will be automatically fetched by Pabbly Connect. And now we have to send a WhatsApp message to our customer, and after some time we will send follow-up message toward that customer. So I'm going to select my action application as Pabbly Chatflow, which is an amazing application provided by Pabbly, by using which you can send WhatsApp messages to your customers. And not only sending WhatsApp messages, you can create chatbots, can create AI assistants, and can broadcast WhatsApp campaigns by using this automation tool of Pabbly. And now let's select the app event as send text message and click over this connect button. And right here we are on the connection page, where for building a new connection you have to select this button of add new connection. Now here we have to enter the token. So for getting the token, let's move on towards my all Pabbly apps page, where you can see that we are getting this application provided by Pabbly called as Pabbly Chatflow, which is going to help you to automate your entire conversation or entire WhatsApp. And now for accessing it, we simply have to click over this access now button, and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow, which can be seen over here. And here I have already added my WhatsApp number. Now for getting the token, you just have to move towards the settings, where you will see this option of API and webhooks. And here we are getting this API token, which you have to enter over the Pabbly Connect for building the connection. So here I'm going to enter my token. Now let's just save it. And as I have clicked over the save button, the connection has been built in. And we are getting this first field for entering the recipient WhatsApp mobile number. So now you might be thinking that I will manually type the recipient's mobile number like this. But no, because Pabbly Connect provides us a method called as mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map my recipient's WhatsApp mobile number from the response which I'm receiving from Google Sheets, as this is my previous application, and the process is just simple. You just have to select the field and press the slash symbol, and right here we are getting our previous application. So from its response, I'm going to map my user's WhatsApp mobile number. Now it is asking me to enter the WhatsApp message which I want to send to my user. So now let's enter it. So this is the message which I'm going to send to my user, and in spite of this word name, I'm going to enter the user's full name. So here I'm going to perform the method of mapping for mapping the user's name. So I'm going to use the response of the Google Sheet. So here I have mapped it, and right here in this place of the product or the service, I'm going to map the product selected by my user. So here I'm going to select it as Pabbly Connect. And here I have selected the product which I have just received in the entry of my Google Sheet. And now with this, we have successfully provided the message which I'm going to send to my user. And here you can provide the name to your contact by just using the mapping. And now for this field, that is recipient WhatsApp mobile number, I'm going to remove this number as this is just a dummy number. And in its place, I'm going to enter my mobile number so that I can show you the response which I'm receiving. So here I have entered my mobile number. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request. And right here you can see that we are receiving this positive response which says that the message is sent. And here on my WhatsApp, I'm successfully receiving this WhatsApp message or this personalized WhatsApp message consisting the same name of the user and the same service selected by my user. So with this, I have successfully connected with my user. Now I want to send a follow-up message to my user or the customer after a certain unit of time to check whether my user or the customer is still interested in my service or the product. So for that, firstly, I'm going to add a delay provided by Pabbly. So this is an application by using which we are going to create a time gap of some unit. And now let's select the app event as add time delay and click over this connect button. And now we are getting this field which says how much delay you want to put in workflow. So here I'm going to select it as delay for, as I want to set a delay for a certain unit of time. But if you want to set the delay for a specific date or the time, then you can select delay until. But here I'm going to select delay for, and now here I'm going to enter my delay unit as minutes, and here I'm going to enter my delay value as 2. Means there should be a time gap of 2 minutes, and afterwards the further action should be performed. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and here you can see that the status is success and the further actions will be delayed for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, I want to send a follow-up message to my customer. So again, I'm going to use this application, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So we are going to follow the same process by selecting the app event, and here I have already built in the connection, so I'm going to use my existing connection. Now let's enter my mobile number in the WhatsApp message which we are going to send to our user. So this is the WhatsApp message which I'm going to send to my user, and you know that I'm going to make it personalized by mapping the data from the Google Sheet. So here I have mapped the full name. Now let's map the product or the service for which my user has shown the interest. Now let's click over the save and send test request. And again we are getting this positive response, and here on my WhatsApp we are successfully receiving this follow-up message. So this is the way you can send WhatsApp follow-up messages to your customers from Google Sheet. And you have seen that I have added a time delay of just 2 minutes. Means the follow-up message will be sent after 2 minutes, but you can set that delay according to you. So now you have seen how easy this process is to sending follow-up messages to keep your customers engaged with your business. And now you don't have to do anything manually because your automation is going to perform all your tasks. And this will definitely help you to grow your business, as now you don't have to do anything manually and your customers are still engaged with your business. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT for getting heavy discount. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.